Hey, how you doing? Austin here. So I want to talk to you about whale activity, and I want to talk to you, and I want to frame it in a very specific way. Because here's the thing, guys. By the way, video for entertainment purposes only. We have a lot of new investors that come in and buy tokens like Shiba Inu. All right, and these new investors tend to be inexperienced, and I'm not saying that in a bad way. Okay, they tend to sell it with emotion, buy with emotion, and all those kind of things. But here's what I'm trying to convey to you. Sitting in this seat, I see part of my job is to continue to educate all of us, including myself, on the activities that matter, okay? And whale buying activities matter. Because I'm telling you this, if you hear nothing else in this video, please listen to this, okay? Time and time and time again, year over year over year, it doesn't even matter the coin or the token. And I'm talking about outside of Shiba Inu. When the whales are buying, you need to take notice. When the whales are buying Ethereum or buying Bitcoin or buying Shiba Inu or it doesn't Solana, whatever the coin or token is, you need to take notice because whales signify the smart money. These are people, guys, that have done very well in crypto. Okay, so however you feel about them, love them, hate them, set that emotion aside and simply open your ears and take the blinders off and go, all right, if the whales are buying Shiba Inu and they're buying 35 billion SHIB while the market is crashing, do you think they're stupid? I'm pausing for dramatic effect. Whales are not stupid people. They don't make dumb choices, okay? So when you have a whale buying $35 billion of SHIB while the overall market was going down and Shiba Inu was not really doing much of anything, it's probably something you ought to pay attention to. And it also sends a very clear message when you have whale after whale after whale. And we've had a lot of whales buying in the month of November. Whales buy in when it is down, when Shiba Inu or another token are down, okay? Because they buy in, they want to buy in when it's flat, when it's in the red, so that they buy low. And yes, I know, Austin, they sell high, okay? All right. And for those of you guys who also want to say, well, fine, this whale bought it, but it didn't move the price point. That's not my point. One whale buying $35 billion SHIB at one is not going to move the price. That is not my point, okay? My point is looking at the broader picture here, guys, okay? So I would also tell you, don't be focused every single day on every minute move that Shiba Inu makes up or down. I don't look at Shiba Inu every day from a price point standpoint and then go look at my holdings and go, where am I at? I don't do that, okay? I'm a long-term holder. That's where, and it takes some stress and pressure off of me by doing that. I have a vision that I want to recoup some significant much higher gains down the road, 6 months, a year, 2 years, etc. Okay. So sorry for being on my soapbox, guys, but you guys need to some of y'all need to be aware and understand how this really works, okay? All right, so let's get into this real quickly, okay? So this whale, and here's something else. During the market sell-off, short-term traders have dropped their positions and exited the market. I would also say inexperienced retail investors in Shiba Inu have left the building. They'll be back, but they have left, okay? Like, oh my God, it's going down 30%. I got to get out. All right, okay? So we know that Shiba lost too much value, etc. Look at this. While some whales buy a significant amount of SHIB, the market does not seem to react in any way. I just talked about that. The volatility of SHIB tokens remains low as both buying and selling pressure is reduced according to the volume indicator. This is that period of consolidation I've been talking about. All right. So basically right here, before the crypto market crashed more than 10% in one day, the 1,000 largest Ethereum wallets dropped more than 8% of their SHIB holdings by entering the USD and other stablecoins on the Ethereum chainnet, okay? So we had some whales moving in and moving out, okay? But we had a lot of whales move in, okay? So whales do move in and do out, but they will be back, and they have come back in this period of November, in this overall market correction scenario that we've had. Okay, so current whale holding has increased back to pre-correction levels with approximately $1 billion worth of holdings remaining on whale tier wallets at press time. Okay, there you go. Okay, so the point I'm making here is go back to my original opening statements. And by the way, this is proof of that whale transaction right here. The original opening statements talking about the fact that when whales, you can look at this, you can go back year after year after year, Bitcoin and Ethereum and all these major coins and tokens. When the whales are buying, it's a precursor to they're buying in to buy in at these lower levels so that they have lower price points when on those tokens that they bought in at, and then they will ride it up and ride it in the waves. The same thing happens in the stock market, things of that nature, okay? So just try to take some emotion out of it if you're thinking about selling or whatever it may be, and just take a breath and ask yourself, what are your goals? Where are you trying to take this, okay? And then go from there. All right, with that said, thank you for your support, guys. I'll see you later.